Alright, this is Connor opening his present from Grandma and Granddad. Turn off the TV, Devin. Let's see what it is.
Big bubble stuff.
Yeah, big bubble stuff.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is it?
2.
Oh, alright, well one of those goes back. What do you think? You know what that is?
Gigantic rockets that shoot up in the sky.
Do you know how high they go and everything? Those are real rockets.
Seriously? They have the fire that comes out of them and stuff?
Yeah. And there's a real parachute that pops open and brings it back down to Earth so you can launch it over and over again.
If we put extra gasoline in this thing, could it go to the moon?
I don't know if we could put enough gasoline in there to get to the moon. What do you think?
It's pretty cool. Here you go, Devin.
What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma and Granddad.
Thank you, Grandma and Granddad. That was very nice. Hey, say thank you again. Look at the camera.
Thank you, Grandma and Granddad.
Happy birthday, Connor.